Let's start making delicious chicken wrap. Add 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of MSG or chicken powder. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it for a few seconds. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoons of Carom seeds optional, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs cut into strips. Add the cornstarch mixture to the chicken and mix it well. Take 1 cup of cornstarch and add 1 tablespoon of water to it. Now using a whisk, mix it vigorously so that crumbs form. These crumbs will make the chicken more crispy. This is the secret for the crispy chicken. Bread the chicken with the cornstarch crumb mixture. Fry the chicken on medium to medium-high heat. If you make this crispy chicken one time, you will experience how easy it is to make at home with good quality ingredients. Now the final step. Put your favorite salad in the wrap. We are adding lettuce, red pepper strips, and onion slices. Now add lots of crispy chicken to it. We are adding homemade salad dressing. You can find the recipe in the link in the description. Fold the wrap and anchor it skewer. Crispy chicken wrap is ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious wrap. Subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching.